How to activate Bank of America credit card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in Activate Bank of America credit card and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, activating your credit card. Open it. You will be directed to this page. Now from here you can easily activate your credit card. The quickest way to activate your personal credit card is with your online banking ID and passcode. They will confirm your identity, verify your card and get you on your way. So scroll down. Over here you will find two sections: already using online banking and not yet enrolled in online banking. So if you have already registered for your online banking, you can click on the option of sign in to online banking. Now you have to fill this, provide your details, user ID and password, and then click on login. Once you log in, you will be able to get access to your credit card. But in the case you haven't created your account yet, what you have to do is head towards this next option, not yet enrolled in online banking. So click on this option, enroll in online banking. Now you have to fill this, provide some details, card or account number, and then SSN or TIN number. Once you fill this, click on continue. With that, your account will be registered. After you register for your online banking account, you will be good to go. You'll get access to your credit card. So this way you can easily activate your Bank of America credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.